Every company, regardless of industry, handles a wide range of cases, from IT issues and warranty claims to research projects and personnel files. Yet many organizations still rely on outdated methods using Excel spreadsheets, Power BI, Tableau, or Click, which makes the analysis and management of cases incomprehensible and complex. To solve this problem, we have developed the Case Intelligence Management System. Our cloud-based solution lets you effortlessly collect and manage cases of every kind. Whether it's insurance cases, research cases, legal cases, or any other category, our system handles your data in any format into one intuitive platform. With nearly 40 individual, configurable analysis charts, CIMS enables you to uncover trends within seconds and make informed decisions faster than ever. Elevate your case management now. Unlock clarity, speed, and insight.